Hi everyone, welcome to Ẹ̀kọ́ Èdè Yorùbá TV.
So this one I told you that is a consonant. Now I have another example for consonants now. Let's use P. This is P plus we give you P. P plus N. And B plus in, B plus on, which is P. This P plus There are some pronunciation that you do not have it in Yoruba. There are some pronunciation that we do not have in Yoruba, but you will have it in English, but you call it. For example now, P, this is P in Yoruba. P pẹ̀lú han, that is P plus han. Or the we call it P plus hen. This one now, we don't have this one in Yoruba. But if you divide it, you can see it that is pen in English. Pen. Pen is the only thing that we put just at the bottom. So this one is also P, which is in, pin. You also, unless maybe you are doing something, we can say we divide something. Pin. You say pin or pin in English. In English, pin. So there are some words that you call it in that is in Yoruba. Also, you use Yoruba to call it in English. This one also pon. Maybe you want to fetch a water. Say that you want to fetch water. Pon omi. So this one is pon. So this one are the faweli aranmupe. So I will make one example again in that faweli aranmupe. Let's have another letter. Let's use W. We call it we in Yoruba. W, we in consonants. So let's write it. Plus W plus N plus in, win. W plus on, W plus UN. For example now, also we don't have some pronunciation in Yoruba. Now, for example now, we have this one in English. One, because it's aranmupe. One, when. You can see now, when. One. So there are some pronunciation that is not in Yoruba, but because we are writing the syllables in aranmupe, and all this one are also in syllable kan, one syllable. So we are now go further for ọ̀rọ̀ oní sílébù méjì. Ọ̀rọ̀ oní sílébù méjì. We know the syllable kan now. Ọ̀rọ̀ oní sílébù kan. Now we are going for ọ̀rọ̀ oní sílébù méjì. Ọ̀rọ̀ oní syllable méjì.